Hey everyone, welcome back to the Financial Freedom Guide. I'm Sam, and today we're continuing our series on business and finance for beginners with a crucial topic: creating a business budget and sticking to it. A well-planned budget can be the difference between success and failure for your business. So grab a notebook and let's dive into the steps you need to take to create a solid budget and ensure you stick to it. Let's get started. The Budget Blueprint, your map to financial success. A budget is your business's roadmap to financial success. It's more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. Without a budget, you're sailing without a compass. You might find yourself adrift. Creating a budget doesn't have to be daunting. Think of it as taking control of your financial future. With a little planning, you can create a budget that works for you. It's time to take the helm and steer your business towards a brighter financial future. Starting out, financial planning for beginners. Before diving into the details of your budget, you need a clear starting point. What do you want to achieve with your new business? Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals is essential. Do you aim to make a profit in your first year? Are you looking to break into a new market? Or perhaps your goal is to secure a small business loan. Clearly define your objectives. Write down your goals and keep them visible. This will serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Your goals will shape your budget and guide your financial decisions. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. By setting clear financial goals, you'll set the stage for creating a budget that aligns with your aspirations and propels your business forward. Mapping your income streams. Forecasting revenue. Now that you've set your sights on your financial destination, it's time to estimate your income. This involves projecting your revenue for a specific period, whether it's a month, a quarter, or a year. Look at your past sales data to get an idea of your typical income patterns. Consider any upcoming promotions, new product launches, or seasonal trends that might impact your revenue. Factor in any contracts or guaranteed income streams you have in place. If you're a new business, market research and industry benchmarks can provide valuable insights. Be realistic in your revenue projections. It's better to err on the side of caution than to overestimate your income. Remember, this is an estimate, and actual figures may vary. By carefully forecasting your revenue, you'll gain a clearer picture of your financial inflows and be better equipped to manage your expenses effectively. Section 4. Unmasking the expense enigma. Identifying your costs. Now comes the part where we shine a light on your expenses. Start by listing all your business expenses. Categorize them into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs remain relatively stable each month, like rent, salaries, and insurance premiums. Variable costs, on the other hand, fluctuate depending on your business activity. These may include raw materials, inventory, shipping costs, and sales commissions. Don't forget about those occasional expenses that pop up from time to time. Review your bank statements, receipts, and financial records to ensure you're capturing all your expenses accurately. Consider using accounting software or spreadsheets to streamline this process. By diligently tracking your expenses, you'll gain valuable insights into where your money is going. This understanding is essential for identifying areas where you can potentially reduce costs and improve your bottom line. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing your expenses is the first step towards optimizing your spending habits. Section 5. The safety net. Preparing for the unexpected. Life is full of surprises, and so is the business world. Unexpected expenses can arise at any moment, throwing your budget off course. That's why it's crucial to establish a contingency fund. A contingency fund acts as a financial safety net. It helps you navigate unforeseen challenges without derailing your entire budget. Set aside a portion of your revenue regularly into this fund. The recommended amount varies depending on factors like your industry, risk tolerance, and business size. Having a contingency fund provides peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion to absorb unexpected costs allows you to focus on running and growing your business without constantly worrying about what-if scenarios. Remember, it's always better to be prepared than to be caught off guard. A contingency fund is a testament to your financial prudence and your commitment to safeguarding your business's well-being. Tips for budgetary discipline. Creating a budget is just the first step. The real challenge lies in sticking to it consistently. Regularly review your budget to track progress. Involve your team in the process. Communication ensures everyone understands their role. Monitor your cash flow closely. Adjust your budget as needed. Celebrate successes and appreciate your team's efforts. Section 7. Charting your course, embracing financial mastery. Congratulations! You've embarked on a journey towards mastering your business budget. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting your business's growth. It's about empowering you to make informed financial decisions that align with your goals. As you gain experience and confidence in your budgeting skills, don't hesitate to explore more advanced budgeting techniques. Consider implementing rolling forecasts, zero-based budgeting, or activity-based budgeting to gain deeper financial insights. The world of business finance is constantly evolving. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and never stop learning about ways to optimize your financial management practices. Share your budgeting journey with others in the business community. Exchange insights, challenges, and successes. Learning from each other's experiences can provide valuable perspectives and foster a supportive network of growth-oriented entrepreneurs. Here are a few questions for you. What's the most challenging part of creating a business budget for you? Have you found any tools or strategies particularly helpful in managing your budget? What topics would you like to see covered in future videos about business finance? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Freedom Guide. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Now go forth and chart your course towards a financially secure and prosperous future for your business. Thanks for watching.